So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to generate text to speech here on VN Video Editor. So once you have the video editor app opened up, I want you to select the video, then slide this bottom bar here all the way to the right to where it says TTS, or in this case, text to speech. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and type in your text right here. So if I were to go ahead and type in hello and then the check mark right there, you can then go around and play with the different voice as well as adjust the speed. So for example, if I were to just use this voice right here, it'll sound like the following.
Good afternoon. Take a deep breath and settle in.
Not sure if you could hear that, but if I were to go back, you can once again type your message, press the check mark, then go to the bottom and press generate. And then you have to subscribe to VN Pro to generate this, or you can top up your credits this way or your balance. You can go ahead and implement this into your video, which I'm not going to do in this example. So if I were to play my video right here, it's obviously not going to display itself. But once again, go to TTS right here. So type in your text, press generate, and then you can add it that way. So that's how you guys can generate text to speech here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.